just want to make a quick video on the clicking sound my bike was making. So I did the first service myself, and it wasn't making any sort of weird noises when I was done, to include the valves. And then recently it started making a lot of racket, like a lot of clicking when it was cold and when it was hot. So a lot of people on the internet suggested it was the valves, which I had previously adjusted and they were fine. So I went back in and adjusted again today, and they had loosened up the tolerances a little bit. I went in and I made sure that the tolerances were precise. Like, I made sure there's like resistance when I pulled the feeler gauges in and out. There's videos on how to do this. You can go to Stuart Fillingham. There's no point making another video of this. I think there's like 5 of them. So, but yeah, just make sure that the tolerances haven't become too wide. Like, you don't want to be able to fit the next size feeler in there. You want to have some resistance when you pull it in and out. And once I did that, once I reset the valves, the clicking stopped. Bike sounds like it did when it was brand new. So if you're having the clicking sounds, I suggest checking that potential problem. Also, like doing it yourself, it's not a hard job. You can look it up on YouTube and see a couple people doing it. Stuart Fillingham and others have all done it and filmed how to do it. And it's wise to invest in the tools to do it, because the first time you use tools, this is what I was told before I started working on stuff, the first time you buy a tool, it pays for itself the first time you use it, right? When you buy a tool the first time you use it, it pays for itself. And I was told that by a guy at work, and he was totally right. So I've done this project twice of the valves, and yeah, I'm glad about the tools. So let me show you what it sounds like now. Before it was like totally clicking and clacking. Like butter, like when I first got it. So yeah, definitely check that out if you're having the clicking sounds, you want them to go away. And also, I mean, I've heard people taking stuff into the Royal Enfield Service Center just being told it's normal, and it's probably something that happens so much that it seems normal to them, but you can fix it. So, and if they can't fix it, it's worth taking a look at it yourself, because no one's going to do a better job on your bike than you, right? So no one's going to care more. Alright, so thanks guys. I just want to throw out there that potential fix for a clicking problem you might be having. Thanks.